We know it's highly genetic. So people always ask, where does ADHD come from? It's 70 to 90% genetic. So genetics is like most of it. But if you think about it, if something is genetic, it's only passed down and remains in the gene pool if it provides some kind of survival advantage to the human species. Otherwise, it would just disappear over time as a trait. But it's not disappearing, it's more common than ever.
But
And
wait,
the
like there's
theory
so
is,
many diseases that are genetic. How could they be helping the gene pool?
well, that's a larger topic, but for example, I'll give you sickle cell, right? Sickle cell um, offers an advantage because it confers some resistance against malaria. And so for that reason, it remains in the gene pool. And for ADHD, the thing that people think is probably helping is that people with ADHD they tend to be the innovators, they tend to be creators, they tend to think outside of the box. If you think about us as cavemen and cavewomen, the person with ADHD is the person who's scanning the environment and spots danger first. And so the saber-toothed tiger doesn't kill everyone, right? Or the person who's on a hunt and is hyper focused on getting an animal and bringing it back, survival advantage. So that way of being wired in the right environment thrives, right? But you take that wiring and you put it in a traditional environment like a classroom and you ask it to focus on something it might not be interested in for 8 hours. That's where the mismatch comes in.